The Tesla RoboVan is designed as a fully self-driving electric van that can carry up to around 20 passengers or large cargo loads, making it perfect for city transport, airport shuttles, delivery services, and even autonomous ride-hailing fleets. The design is extremely futuristic, with a smooth, bullet-shaped body, no traditional grille, no side mirrors, and large panoramic windows that make it look more like a high-tech capsule than a normal van. Inside, the RoboVan focuses on comfort and space. Instead of a traditional driver's seat, the cabin is fully optimized for passengers, with lounge-style seating, open space, and a minimalist interior inspired by Tesla's clean design language. Since it is built for full autonomy, there is no steering wheel or pedals in the concept version, meaning the van is designed to drive itself using Tesla's next-generation full self-driving AI system. Tesla hasn't officially confirmed all technical specs yet, but experts expect the RoboVan to use a powerful electric drivetrain similar to Tesla's upcoming platforms, with a large battery pack capable of long city range, fast charging support, and extremely low operating costs compared to gas vans or buses. The main goal of RoboVan is not speed, but efficiency, reliability, and autonomous mobility at scale. Now let's talk about the price. Elon Musk has hinted that Tesla wants RoboVan to be affordable for mass transport and commercial use. Industry analysts estimate the starting price could be around $30,000 to $50,000 USD per unit, especially if produced in large fleets for ride-sharing companies and logistics businesses. For custom commercial versions with bigger batteries and premium interiors, the price could go up to $70,000 or more, depending on configuration and software packages. The biggest revolution of RoboVan is autonomy. Tesla plans to use it in its future robotaxi network, where RoboVans could operate 24/7 without human drivers, drastically reducing transportation costs. Imagine a city where RoboVans pick you up automatically, drive you to your destination, and cost less than owning a personal car. That's the future Tesla is aiming for. Many experts believe RoboVan could compete with traditional buses, shuttle vans, and even ride-sharing platforms like Uber and Lyft. With zero emissions, lower maintenance, and AI-driven driving, it could change how people move in cities forever. Tesla RoboVan is not just a vehicle, it's a vision of the future of transportation. Whether it becomes widely available in the next few years or not, one thing is clear: Tesla is pushing the world toward a fully autonomous electric future faster than anyone else.